This will be a short unboxing and overview of the new helmet I decided to get for riding my slower electric scooters. It's a replacement to my older bell helmet, which I crashed a few weeks ago. You can see in the front here. So I'm replacing it with the Smith Express MIPS helmet. The reason why I decided to go with the Smith helmet is because I'm happy with my Smith mainline helmet that I use for riding my VDM10 electric scooter, and it's been working out really well for the past year or so. So let's take a look what's inside the box. Okay, so let's take a closer look. Here is a small guide on the backlight. And here is a manual. And emergency contact sticker, and here is the actual helmet itself. You can adjust it in the back. It has the MIPS system, and you have a classic buckle, and it has a reflective thread. It also has the removable visor at the front, and if you don't want to use the visor, you have a extra liner here that you can replace the visor with. And in the back here is a light which is removable, and yeah. And you can just push it out if you don't want to use it. Okay, so that is it for the Smith Express MIPS helmet. It was around 70 euros, and the reason I got it was because of the combination of price and value, considering it has the backlight and the MIPS system, as most helmets with these features are around 100 euros. This one has the retail price of 110 euros, and it was on a bit of an offer. So if you have any questions about the helmet, leave a message in the comments, and I'll see you next time.